Going to Zane. You're going to Zane.
Where am I going?
Where are you going?
Down to Strawn.
Strawn.
Yep.
And you people are going to Cradle.
Yeah.
Should have lovely weather up here, I reckon. How was your boat trip? Lovely?
Which one?
Last night.
Last night was fine, yeah.
Fine.
Night before wasn't.
Oh, you was on night
That
before?
was fine, but it was wasn't the
Bit lumpy.
well that didn't achieve its ultimate goal.
Nah. No idea what he must say about it.
This is just a place we're stopping en route to Cradle, and because of the problem with the ferry boat, I once again have to change my reservation in Strawn because the bus to Strawn only runs Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, so I have to stay in Cradle Mountain, which is fine. It's the major park here. Classic place for a great backpacking trip if you can do it. Stay here for a day and then tomorrow I'll pick it up and get down to Strawn. This is a little town of Sheffield in Tasmania on the way down to Cradle Mountain, known for its murals. This one has very much definitely a country or farm or western scene, and of course a blacksmith scene. Apparently there are murals all over like this. We just don't have time to look at them all. This is flowing rock in Cradle Mountain, just opposite the visitor center. And apparently the bottom layer down there, presumably that one there, is an earlier basalt shield, volcanic eruption. And the coloration there is not dirt, but a tanning solution, or a tannic, I guess it's called. That comes from a certain plant. I don't know if it gives it a bad taste or not, like the water in northern Minnesota was so horrible. It came from a similar, I think either that or it came from iron ore deposits, which might have been the reason why these folks claim this water is good to drink, doesn't taste bad in spite of the color. That is Cradle Mountain. Not as spectacular in the picture because of the cloud cover today. That is Glacier Rock on the left side. I'll hike around there. Don't know if I feel like torturing my back and make the whole loop, which is about, for me it'd be about 2.5 hour trip. Heavily populated. And back a ways early on, from this spot, it was the beginning of the overland trek from here down to Lake St. Clair. Up on the center, you can see, we'll move up to the people who have hiked up to the top there. Some people going kayaking with a tour. Big fiberglass boats. Top of Crater Mountain, just peeking over the top on the left side there. And I'm going to walk up this trail, which leads to a museum of some sort, where there's photographs of how this area was in the early days when a fellow named Waldheim and his wife was a local girl that he married. He was from Germany or someplace. Came here and settled out this area and ultimately worked for its preservation. So, we'll take another little jaunt. This looks like the Tasmanian devil, but it's not. It's a little teeny weeny salamander of some sort. There's at least a hint of sun. I mean, I actually have a shadow, as you can see. That's the best it's been for since I've been in New Zealand the last 3 or 4 days. The sun is so reassuring. And I've just barely minimally dressed for even this chill, assuming that it would be really hot where I spent most of the time. And I suspect after I leave Tasmania, go to Adelaide, and start working my way west, it will be hot. And this cool weather will be a distant, lovely memory. You see all kinds of droppings here. You can see those things. They look almost cube. They almost look like horse cubes. I mean, the feed that you feed horses that's in manufactured cubes. I don't know what it is. And there's little ones. I don't know what those are either. But I thought they would fascinate the viewer.